Hello, grade 12s. Welcome back to the channel, Science Therapy, hosted by the one and only science therapist, Uabutiwa Sos Ugobela Wemet. And without any further ado, let's look at these questions that we have here. Okay, so question 7 says a corner of a rectangular block of wood is cut off and shown in the diagram below. The inclined plane, that is triangle ACD, is an isosceles triangle having ADC is equals to ACD, which is equals to theta, and then also ACB is half theta, AC is x plus 3, and CD is 2x. So basically everything is just shown here on the diagram. Then 7.1 says determine an expression for CAD in terms of theta, and that is only for 1 mark. So as we can see here, if we just highlight this triangle here, ACD, we can now determine the expression for CAD, which is this angle here. If we have theta and theta, then that means this one needs to be 180 minus 2 theta. So that's all we are supposed to say for 7.1. CAD is equals to 180 minus 2 theta. Right. Then 7.2 says prove that cos theta is equals to x over x plus 3. So we can just go ahead and just use the same angle that we just calculated here, and then to calculate the value for cos theta. So how are we going to do that? We're going to use the sine rule. So this to that, and then if this is theta, this can also be expressed as x plus 3. So we can take either this to that or this to that, right? And then this is supposed to be what? So applying the sine rule, meant to say this is sine 180 degrees minus 2 theta over the side that is opposite that angle is 2x. And then now if we take a sine theta, why do I keep saying cos? If I take sine theta, then the side that is opposite that is x plus 3. Okay, so this here is in the second quadrant, reduction formulae. This is sine 2 theta over 2x is equals to sine theta over x plus 3. Now let's cross multiply. If we cross multiply here, we'll have x plus 3 and then sine 2 theta. But then the sine 2 theta, we know it's a double angle. So let's just break it down to 2 sine theta cos theta. And then if we cross multiply these ones, this is 2x sine theta. Now let's get rid of the 2 sine theta. So 2 sine theta, then also here 2 sine theta. So the 2 sine theta will go 2 and 2 will go sine theta and sine theta will go. Now we are left with x plus 3 and then cos theta is equals to x. But then remember, we are to prove that we are to make cos theta the subject of the formula. So let's divide both sides by the x plus 3. Then we are left with the cos theta, which is equals to x over x plus 3. That's how you were just supposed to prove that. Okay, then let's proceed to 7.3. So in 7.3, they're saying if it is given that x is equals to 2, calculate AB, the height of the piece of wood. So calculate AB. Now we can see that AB from this triangle here is in a right angle triangle. That means we can use SOHCAHTOA. But then here, the first thing that we need to have is our angle there, which we can calculate using this. We have cos theta. We are given the value of x is 2. So that means we'll have 2. And then what is 2 plus 3? That's 5. Now we're going to use that to calculate theta. This is cos 2 over 5. Then let's punch it quick. So this gives us theta is equals to 66.5 66.42 degrees. But then remember, here we have half theta. So if we have theta is 66.42 degrees, that means half theta is what? Let's calculate. Half theta will be half of this. And then which will give us what? 33.21 degrees. Now that we have the angle here, 33.21 degrees, we're now going to say to calculate AB, we can say opposite, but then we are given what? The hypotenuse. Remember, this is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. So we are given the opposite and the hypotenuse side, which means we must use the trig ratio sign. So that sine 33.21 degrees is equals to our opposite is AB and our hypotenuse is 5. So to calculate AB, you need to say AB is equals to 5 sine 33.21 degrees. Now, what is our value for AB? And then this gives us a value of 2.74 units if we round off to 2 decimal places. Okay, and that's how you were supposed to tackle this question for a total of 5 marks, and the overall question for a total of 10 marks. So please make sure to press the thumbs up button if you've enjoyed the lesson and then you have found it helpful. And if you've been watching the videos and haven't subscribed yet, please smash that subscribe button. But most importantly, please share the link with your friends and classmates so that they may also find assistance. Remember, do not be selfish. We are winning as a team.